Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome you all here in our YouTube channel. Today we will learn about operating system. So let's start. Operating system. An operating system OS is defined as the collection of programs that control the overall operation and performance of the computer system. It also acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Some popular operating systems include Windows, Unix, Linux, etc. Here we get two important things. First, it is a collection of programs that control overall activities of the computer. Means whatever the activities is performed by the computer is controlled by the operating system. And second thing is that it creates a link between the user and computer. Means whatever the instruction given by the user will not give directly to the computer. It gives to the operating system, and operating system will transfer its instruction to the computer. We will understand it with an example. See, there we have put an operating system between the user and computer, and OS works as an interface between the user and computer. Now the user gives instruction to the operating system and OS will execute the user task, access the hardware and software part of the computer. Now we see some more example. In first example, we have already explained user give instruction to the OS and OS complete the task of the user by using the computer. And in second example, we have put the switch between the user and the fan. There is a question arise that can we operate a computer without OS or fan without switch? Yes, we can. But it will not be convenient and efficient, because for using a computer directly we need to know machine language that a computer understood, and only few person are there that who knows the machine language. And in second example, we have put the switch between the user and the fan. Here a question also arises, can we operate the fan directly? Yes, we can. For this we will take two wires, and when we want to run the fan we connect the wire, and when we want to stop it we disconnect the wire. But it will not be also convenient for every person. So for making user friendly to everyone, we put the interface between them. I hope all of you understood it. Thank you.